Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you to how to take organized and effective notes by using the app GoodNotes 5. It is a handwriting note-taking app by Time-Based Technology Limited. It is available on the iPad, iPhone and Mac. It costs $9 for a one-time purchase for all of your devices. When creating a new notebook in GoodNotes, you can customize it. The app supports many different paper sizes as it's shown here, and it can be either a landscape or a portrait. Each template can be one of three colors: white, yellow, or dark. If you are unhappy with the app's templates, you can import and save your own to the application's template library. The app also has a notebook covers as well as an option to not use any, which is this one. And you can also import documents from files and even title your own notebook. This is an overview of the notebook. The first tool that I want to discuss is the pen tool. GoodNotes has three types of pens, which is fountain pen, and ball pen, and brush pen. You can customize each to change its color as it's shown here and its thickness, and sometimes the pressure sensitivity and the tip sharpness. While writing, the toolbar can only house the three pens, colors, and thickness at a time. It may not be enough if you like using a lot of pens. You'll find yourself trying to replace some from time to time. The second tool that I want to talk about is the zoom tool. The zoom tool zooms sections of your page. You can set it to auto advance, so it moves automatically as you take notes. You can also add a margin, a point where the tool will start as it auto advances, as it's shown here. You can also use the highlighter tool, which is this one over here, which makes your note pop out and it goes behind your ink like that. If you have a layer, it won't dimp your notes. You can straighten it out for a neater highlight if you prefer that. The eraser option in GoodNotes has three types of eraser: precise, standard, and stroke. Each has a different level of accuracy when erasing items on your page. Next, I want to talk about the lasso tool. The lasso tool can selectively pick different items or a combination of items, like so. And you can, for example, pick up your handwriting only, ignoring the image, or even inserting your handwriting on the image. And when you get that option, you can then take a screenshot, rise and rotate, change the color of your notes or shape, cut, copy, or delete the selection. Unfortunately, the lasso tool does not move your selection across pages. Therefore, you have to rely on cutting and pasting to do that. I wanted to mention the items you can add to your notes, such as photos. You can add photos from this option, and shapes. You can draw irregular and regular shapes, as well as curves, arrows, whatever you want in GoodNotes. Using either the pen highlighter tool, the app can automatically transfer your shapes and snap edges together, which makes drawing shapes a piece of cake. As well as a text box appears around your text when typing, and it disappears when you stop. You can change the font size, and the color. The last option that I want to talk about is exporting options. In GoodNotes, you can share single pages, selected pages, or entire document out of the app. They can either be PDFs, images, or GoodNotes native format. Each format has a different export option. It's important to have the ability to share your notes out of your note-taking app. In the home page, you can view all your documents shared and favorite ones. They can display as either thumbnails or lists. You can arrange them according to date, name, and type. You can select multiple documents that you can export, duplicate, move, or delete. GoodNotes 5 might be the perfect app for taking your notes, except that it's not available on Windows or Android. It's pretty easy to use and has all the essentials covered up. Exporting, importing files or documents is seamless and intuitive. It might help students a lot because taking good notes in a class is an important part of academic success in college. Actively taking notes during class can help you focus and better understand main concepts in many classes.